I'm Darcy Armstrong, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library, and continuing with Resource Week, I want to show you a great resource for people who are looking at college or any kind of post-secondary training. That's the Testing, Education, and Reference Center. So again, we go to our resources page. We're going to come down to Business, College, and Careers. And under College and Vocation, you can scroll down to Testing, Education, Reference Center, or TERC. Now please note, if you are accessing this off-site from the library, you will need your Eckhart Public Library card, and once you have entered your card number, TERC will ask you to register with an email address, and they do this because of the practice tests and the resume generators that will save your information so you can keep coming back to it. So it's got a pretty simple start screen here. So there's Improve Your Score, which is the preparation for standardized tests. You can research colleges and universities, explore careers and vocations, and practice for vocational tests. So let's scroll down and see some of what they have to offer. And we'll come back up. I also want to show the Improve Your Score. So there's foundational skills if you want to brush up some basic skills. There's also test prep for standardized tests that you take in high school. AP tests, SAT, ACT, and a few state-based tests. I'm gonna pick SAT subject test here. Take a look. And as you click on it, you can see that there is a course with practice tests here. Okay, and let's go back a bit. There's also preparatory materials for grad school, so practicing for your GRE, LSAT, or MCAT. And there are ebooks available too for test preparation. Let's go explore careers. So the other thing I want to show you on here is the resume generator. So go to create a resume, and you can pick your template for a really professional looking resume. I'll just pick that one right there. And you can enter just plug in your information into the template. You can add sections as needed, change your page layout. And once you're done, you can download this as a PDF or a Word document.